the disposable. Summer's Eve, Massengale. Shady's got the mass appeal, baby. Crank the shit, cause it's your goddamn jam. You say that you want your punchlines a little more compact. Well, shorty, I'm that man. These other cats ain't metaphorically where I'm at, man. I gave Bruce Wayne a Valium and said, settle your fucking ass down. I'm ready for combat, man. Get it, combat, man? Nah, ain't nobody who's as bomb man. Ass nuts, lines are like moms, cats, cans, cause they fucking go bananas. Honey, I applaud that ass. Swear to God, man, these bras can't dance. Ma, show 'em how it's done. Spaz like a goddamn Taz, yeah.
You can sound the alarm, you can call out your bluff, you can fence in your yard, you can pull all the cards, but I won't back down. Oh no, I won't back down. Oh no.
Girl, shake that ass like a donkey with Parkinson's. Make like Michael J. Fox in the drawers, playing with an etch a sketch. Betcha that you never guess who's knocking at your doors. People hit the floors, yeah, tonight, ladies, you gon' get divorced. Girl, forget remorse, I'ma hit you broads with Chris's force like you pissed him off. Talented with the tone, motherfucker, you ain't got a lick in yours. Hitting licks like I'm robbing liquor stores, making cash registers, shit the drawers. Think you spit the raws? I'm an uncooked slab of beef laying on your kitchen floor. Other words, I'm off the meat rack. Bring the beat back, bring me to extension cords. I'ma measure my dick, shit, I need 6 inches more. Fuck, my dick's big, bitch. Need I remind you that I don't need the fucking swine flu to be a sick pig? You're addicted, I'm dope. I'm the longest needle around here. Need a fix? I'm the big shot. Get it, dick snots? You're just small pokes, little pricks. Girl, you think that all the bricks hot? I'll drink gasoline and eat a lit match. So I sit back and let him get hotter. Better call the cops on him quick fast. Shady's right back on your bitch ass. White trash with a half a six-pack in his hatchback. Trailer hitch attached to the back. Dispatch.
You can sound the alarm, you can call out your bluff, you can fence in your yard, you can pull all the cards, but I won't back down. Oh no, I won't back down. Oh no.
Bitch, I'm out of reason that your boyfriend stopped rapping. Does the bird chirp? Lil Wayne slurp serve till he burps and smoke perp. Does the word search kick? Circles wrapped around it like you do when I come through it like it to remind yourself of what the fuck I can do when I'm on the mic. Or you're the kind of girl that I can take a liking to. It's like I'm spiking you like a football. Been this way since I stood a foot tall. You're a good catch with a shitty spouse. Got a pretty mouth and a good jaw. Give me good brain. Watch the wood grain. I want no cum stain. Bitch, you listening? Trying to turn me down? Smart, I'm talking to you. Turn me back up. Are you insane? Trying to talk over me? In the car, shut the fuck up while my shit's playing. I'm a shit stain on the underwear of life. What's the saying? Where there's thunder, there's lightning. And they say that it never strikes twice in the same place. Then how the fuck have I been hit 6 times in 3 different locations on 4 separate occasions? And you can bet your steak ass that I've come to smash everything in my path. Fork was in the road, took the psychopath. Poison ivy wouldn't have me thinking rash. So hit the dance floor, cutie, while I do my duty on this microphone. Shake your booty, shorty, I'm the shit. Why you think Proof used to call me Duty?